Hello dear students, this is Tanisha Singh from Integrity Immigration Group. We are based out of Tri-City, Panchkula. I hope you all are doing great. So we are a government certified study visa consultancy. Our main concern is to bring you information regarding the Europe study visa. So today we are going to cover up all the entire admission process, eligibility, tentative fees structure, what are the benefits and how could you apply for your Europe study visa. Let's start up. So all those students जिनके refusals आ रहे हैं किसी भी country से, if you are refused, if you got your study visa refused whether from Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand or any other country, you are most welcome to apply for Europe study visa, and we assure you you will be getting your visa of assure, right? Because we are expertise into Europe study visa. So let's start off the first foremost admission eligibility. Guys, if you have very low IELTS score, if you have low PT score, and still you have a dream to apply for study visa process and get the like quality education in a very low affordable fees, please initiate your process for the Europe study visa. Because Europe में बहुत सारी countries आ जाएंगी, you will be getting lot of options. So first foremost, as I said, you can apply your study visa process without any kind of English proficiency obstacle. Yes, you heard it very correctly. You need not to give any kind of IELTS score, PT score, Duolingo score, any kind of English proficiency score if you apply for France study visa, Spain study visa, Malta study visa, Cyprus study visa and lots more. सो जो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को, दैट इज़ द इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी. कहीं ना कहीं मार्क्स थोड़े से लो रह जाते हैं एंड एज अ कॉन्सिक्वेंटली यू गेट योर रिफ्यूजल. So all those students who are just been pissed off by attempting again English proficiency score and आपके refusals आ रहे हैं, you have the still option to start up, as I said, Europe study visa, and you will be getting lot of numerous of options regarding the destinations. France is there, then we have Spain, Malta, Ireland is there. So many countries options you will be getting. So first foremost is like without any kind of English proficiency score, you can start up your process. And the next one is that if we talk about the admission eligibility, even though if you have academics near about 55 percentile, if it's like ranging in between 50 to 55 percentile, still you can have the opportunity to apply for the study visa process. So we have covered, you need not to give any kind of English proficiency examination if you have low IELTS score, if you have low academics score. And the next very important part is that the academics gap. If you have a huge gap, even though the gap is nearly about 20 years, still you are almost set to start up your study visa process, and we assure you of you will be getting your successfully grant of visa, right? So basically IELTS score, if absent is there, you don't have any kind of IELTS score. If you have a huge long academics gap, you have low percentile, you have low academics percentage, still you can start up the process. And if we talk about the tentative fees structure, the fees structure in Europe is very highly affordable. आपने fees जो है, अपनी payments जो है, you will be given an comfort level from the all institutions. This is our student support facilities here. You can pay into installments as well. अगर आपके पास एडमिशन एलिजिबिलिटी कहीं ना कहीं लैक कर रही है फॉर ऑल अदर बिगर कंट्रीज, you have the substitute best option to apply for the Europe study visa in a very highly affordable fees. The tentative fees structure would be ranging only from 7,000 euro up to 18,000 euro, depends upon the selection of the course of program. But if we talk about the ranging, the minimum tentative fees ranging will be starting up only 7,000 euro, and ये जो fees है ये पूरे 1 year की fees है. And apart from this, all the institutions are giving privilege and the support to the students. You can pay into two parts. You need not to even pay one time annual fees on a one time payment, right? You can pay into 2 installments. So these are the extraordinary supports which these European countries are entertaining to our students, all the international students. And the next most important part is that you will be getting a lot of great you can say the range of the wages while you are studying. आपका पार्ट टाइम वर्क जो है वो उसका काफी हाई वेजेस रहेगा. I mean the fees is highly affordable. Then apart from that, institutions are giving the privilege to pay you into installments. Apart from that, scholarships are also being entertained, and you will be getting a proper support from the institution to aid you into part-time work, right? So all these facilities, all these benefits, if we accumulate together, like without any kind of English proficiency hindrance, lot of gap is acceptable. If you have even a gap of up to 15 to 20 years with proper justification, you can still apply. So these are the you can say the salient features of the Europe study visa. And if we talk about the intake, we have multiple rolling intakes. France, Malta, Spain, Ireland, they have their like rolling intakes. You can still have the chance to apply for the July intake. We have some September intake, we have some October intake, as per your choice of the preference, right? So and any student if wanted to still apply for the Europe study visa, we are still accepting applications for July, September, October intake. So these are the you can say the outline of the admission eligibility. And regarding the post-study work permit, need not to worry. It's not only about like Europe is having the affordable fees, but also they are entertaining a lot of support regarding the post-study work permit. You will be getting a post-study work permit ranging from 2 years up to 3 years, depending upon your selection of course of study, right? So all those students who have any doubt, any query, and wanted to start up your process for Europe study visa, please feel free to hit a call to our agency, Integrity Immigration Group. We will be happy and lovable to support you all their entire process. We guys are going to support you regarding your study visa process entirely from the scratch level of interview preparation, your issuance of offer letter, visa filing process, embassy level interview preparation. Each and everything will be taken care of our team members. So I would at the last just wanted to raise a request, all those students who are willing to apply for a Europe study visa, have lot of study gap and having refusals, or even though still confused which country you should apply. So we will be there to assist you for your each and every process. Please feel free to connect with us. Looking forward to hear it from you. Thank you so much.